Here we have is a Grizzly drum sander. As you can see, this is the drum sander unit, and it has also has an external vacuum unit with it. This unit is 220 single phase only. The dust collector over there can be 110 or 220 single phase only. That unit is 1 horsepower. This is a 1/4 horsepower. This unit does have a conveyor that feeds your workpiece, which I'm going to demonstrate in the piece of wood today, into the drums. As you can see here, I don't have the top flipped down. These are the drums. They're belt driven. There's bearings on each end. Bearings have just been cleaned and repacked. There's nothing wrong with them, but that's just what we do here. Put that on there. There's latches on each side. Make sure the latches are always down. This is your on switch right here. As you can see, I'm going to demonstrate the piece of wood where I took a piece of magic marker on both sides so you guys don't think I flipped a piece of wood. This is your elevating crank. If you go to the right, which is clockwise, it will raise your workpiece into the drums. Go counterclockwise, it will lower your workpiece away from the drums. Come over here, this is your on switch. That's just for the dust collector. Come over here, you flip the switch on. You can see it starts. I've already pretty much set up to this piece. A little bit more. Magic marker's gone. This other side. You can see it almost got it all, but I needed to raise it a little bit more. Right there, and as you guys know, the magic marker soaks into wood, so for it to actually take that out, I took a pretty hefty bite off of this piece of plywood here. Bags are in excellent shape. There's a little bit of staining, but there's no rips in the bags. There was one little hole in the hose right here. We patched it. Very tiny hole. The rest of the hose is immaculate. There's no issues at all. The only sandpaper it comes with are the ones that are on these drums right now. So it is still in working condition, but this is the only set of drums that it comes with. This is our Grizzly drum sander.